Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not a
Morning. Morning, everyone. So guys, I'm here in CVS because I'm going to look something here. This one, guys. Gagawa ako ng ice candy, guys. Kasi binigyan ako ng avocado. Binigyan ako ng avocado, guys. So, gagawa ako ng ito na lang yung ko. Ito na lang yung condense ko. Itong condense ko gagamitin. Magnolia. So, may sugar na ako doon. So, hindi ko alam kung meron silang flour dito. Pero alam ko wala silang flour dito eh. Binigyan ako ng friend ko ng avocado, guys. So, hinog na siya. So, ang gagawin ko siyang ice candy kasi sayang mabubulok. Tapos dalhin ko sa namin, sa church sa Sunday. Kasi hindi ko naman mauubos yun, So, maghanap ako ng parang flour dito. Kung meron. Pero alam ko wala sila dito kasi mostly lang naman to sila. Mga tingnan natin baka meron, di ba? There's no hard in trying. Ayan So, ang happy ko nandito din. Nag-antay kami ng 5 minutes kasi nag-fax kami ng papers. Fax kami ng papers. Kaso lang wala. 5 minutes pa daw mag-antay. So, we'll see. Kung mag-go yung aming papers. Alam ko wala sila ditong Pero may cornstarch naman ako sa bahay. Diba yung pampalambot ng ice candy, guys, no? Pwede yung cornstarch. Yung friend ko, ang ginamit niya kasi cassava flour. Pero may na ako dun eh. May cornstarch. So yun na lang gagamitin ko. Yun na. Tapos blender ko yung avocado para mas soft. Tapos so wala sila dito eh. Mga kasi to eh. Mga gamot. Baby, you see something? This is the only one I want to get here. This is the only this is the only thing I need. What you get?
Band-Aid.
Oh, I still have Band-Aid in the house.
No, it's not.
You don't like the one that I give you?
It doesn't go.
So you get one already?
Waterproof.
Oh, okay. Oh, waterproof.
Yeah,
I didn't know that. Meron na palang waterproof ngayon, guy, na Band-Aid.
Waterproof finger for the finger.
Galing naman, guys. I didn't know that they have a waterproof Band-Aid, no? This is the one that you need, for your, This is the one, River, right? This one, the wrap that you said?
For him?
Yeah?
Oh, I don't know.
This is
No, it was a boot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Just get only this one. So this is CVS, guy, where you can buy beauty products, everything. Sometimes they have sale. Look at, guys, or they have yellow tag. Yeah, sometimes they buy one get one 15% off. Then they give you an instant coupon of 10. See, yeah, when you spend of 25, tapos pag bumili ka niyan dalawa, may bibigyan ka pa ng 10. Parang di mura na rin binayaran, guys, diba? So maganda dito. So sige, magbabayad na ako, guys.